How to activate Target RedCard credit card. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Target RedCard credit card. For that, you'll have to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Once you are on the home page of your web browser, here on the address bar type the website rcam.target.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Target RedCard. Once you reach to this page, you will find this interface on your screen. Here scroll down and at the bottom you will find the manual or steps on how to activate a Target RedCard credit card. It says if you have logged in to manage my Target Circle card before, then you can sign in above here. Next one says if you have never used Manage My Target Circle card before, then you can sign up below. Here you can see the sign up button. Go ahead and click on it. If you have never used Manage My Target Circle card before, once you clicked on it, you will be presented with this interface. Here you will have to enter your card number. Make sure you enter this hyphen sign after each 4-digit here. Once you have entered your 16-digit card number, you will find this Begin Enrollment option right here. Click on it to proceed further. Once you do so, you will be taken to a new page. Here in this interface on the first box, you will have to enter the name that appears on your card. Here select the year and month of the expiration date of your card. And in the third box, here enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. And in the last box, here you'll have to enter the security code which will be of 3 digits. Usually you can find this 3-digit security code on the back of your card. Now once you have entered all your card details, click on this next button to proceed further. Once you do so, you will be taken to a new page from where you can activate your Target RedCard credit card. So in this way, you can easily activate your Target RedCard credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.